Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to move your XRP around, and today, we're focusing on a common task: transferring XRP from your Phantom wallet to Bitmart. This process is straightforward, but it's always good to double-check steps to avoid any hiccups. By the end of this video, you'll have your XRP transferred securely and efficiently. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need the Phantom Wallet app installed on your device and a verified account on Bitmart. Also, ensure you have some XRP in your Phantom wallet. Remember, crypto transfers involve fees, so check your balance beforehand. Step 1. Open your Phantom wallet and unlock it with your password or biometric authentication. Once inside, navigate to your XRP assets. You'll see a list of your holdings. Select XRP to view its details. Next, hit the Send or Transfer button. This will prompt you to enter the recipient's address. Now, head over to your Bitmart account on a web browser or app. Go to the Deposit section, select XRP, and copy the provided deposit address. It's crucial to double-check this address to prevent any loss of funds. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Paste the Bitmart address into the recipient field in Phantom Wallet. Then, enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer, but leave enough for network fees. The XRP network, also known as the XRP ledger, might require a small fee, so keep an eye on that. Review everything one last time, and hit Confirm to initiate the transfer. After you send it, you'll get a transaction ID. Head back to Bitmart and check your deposit history. It might take a few minutes for the XRP to show up due to network confirmations. In 2025, with faster blockchain tech, this should be quicker than ever. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred XRP from Phantom Wallet to Bitmart. Always prioritize security by using hardware wallets for larger amounts and staying updated on any platform changes. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.